So my name's Laurie Borden. I'm a culinary scientist at Nutriati. I graduated from the Culinary Institute of America, and I have degrees in culinary science as well as culinary arts. So I have more of a cooking experience background. So I've worked in lots of restaurants and things. My first R&D type of job was at Sabra Dipping Company. So that kind of got me into the chickpea world. And then I got this job here at Nutriati where we make lots of chickpea-based ingredients.
Interesting. Yeah. And so, April, you wanna share with us a little bit about Nutriati and what you're all about and the products that you guys have?
Yeah. So we like to say Nutriati is an ingredient technology company.
Hmm.
So we produce plant-based proteins and functional flours. We're unique as an ingredient company because of our manufacturing process. So we only make ingredients from chickpeas right now. We plan to roll out more in the future. But we de-oil our chickpeas at the beginning of our process. So without getting too far into the details, this enables us to create ingredients that not only taste really fantastic, but they're extremely functional as well.
Hmm.
And so
Hmm.
our core ingredients are our Tessa line. Our Tessa is the brand name. And then we have our functional chickpea flour and our chickpea protein concentrate.
Yeah, and I've had a chance to work with those a little bit and in some gluten-free applications, and it is really interesting how well they function. Just even from a putting a batter together and baking a product, in that it's I would just say, it's different than anything else out there, and it is in a positive way, definitely in a
Yeah.
very positive way, and it's quite interesting the way it hydrates and everything. Is I think it's really cool.